As you can see, floor's all marked up. Been used a bit of metal as a ruler. So this is a general idea. So we're going to have a bench here, and a bench here, and a bench here. Seating benches, which then convert into bed, double bed. This gap here is going to be where the kitchenette's going to be, and the gap for the fridge, and where the seat rails were, I'm going to replace that with another seat, a 3-seat side-facing rock and roll seat, which pulls out into a double bed in that section. So that's the plans so far. When I get all that in, I've then got to get a diesel night heater, which will fit under the bench over here, with the exhaust going outside and the vents coming into the van to warm it up. So yeah, that's the plans. We got the plans in place. I also need to get these tinted because it's a stealth van and I don't want people looking in at my bare bum. So these will be tinted out. This panel's going to get painted and then boarded and decorated because there was a broken window, but that's just there at the moment. So yeah, it's all coming together, Emma. Whoop whoop, chicken soup. The stealth camper is on its way. So here we are. I've fetched it down to the mechanics to fix the gearbox issue I've got, which is it won't come out of 4th gear. Well, it will. It'll go 1st, 2nd, 3rd and 4th, but it won't go 5 and 6. Due to an error called a 002 error, which tends to be an ABS sensor on the back hub. Fingers crossed. So it's getting dropped off the mechanics now. Tomorrow, hopefully should be able to work on it. And tomorrow I'm buying the furniture and a rock and roller bed for it. Hopefully. Good morning and welcome to the following day. I decided to spread this one over 2 days because what I done with the camper yesterday wasn't enough to warrant one video. But me and Tristan, say hi Tristan. Hi. Are heading for a mammoth journey today. So we're in Northumberland, we're going to go down to London to do a drop off of some furniture. As in the furniture that I sell for a business. Then head from London to Thetford to collect some campervan furniture. So it's a U-shaped bench that turns into a bed, a kitchen unit. Then from Thetford across to Liverpool to pick up a rock and roller bed. So that's 3 seats that convert into a bed as well.
So much endless time, nothing will shine until the day I see you. Such a misty thought, and it makes me fall. So much more in love. So where did you go, my baby? Haven't seen you.
So the delivery of the 2 chest of drawers has been done. We're at the furthest point away now, which was about 5 hours. So we're heading...
At the end of the road, turn left, then turn right.
Left then right, apparently. But we're heading up to Thetford now, which is 1.5 hours away.
Turn left, then turn right.
To collect the furniture for the campervan, the stealth camper. We have the campervan furniture, and now it's 4 hours to get to the next place to get the rock and roller seat. And that will be 12 hours on the road by the time we get that. Then we still have to get home, which is another 3.5 hours on top. Long day. That's a rock and roller bed picked up, loaded up, and I've just set the sat nav to go home, and it's saying I'll be home for about 9:30 tonight. Bear in mind we left the house at 5:30 this morning. Yeah. I don't think there's anybody in the world that has driven more miles than me and Tristan have today. I think today we hold an actual world record for today. Let me know down below if you think you've drove more miles than us. Trying to work it out. I've got 188 miles to go there. We have 76 miles that way. We had 300 and... yeah, close to 800 miles by the time we get home tonight. Tristan fueled up on KFC, and as you've noticed, it's went dark. It's now 7:15 at night. We've got exactly 180 miles to do and about 3 hours to do it in. So yeah, long day. Well folks, there you have it. It is now 10:18 at night. We left the house at 5:30 this morning. So that's a lot of driving. Yeah. 2 miles short of 800 miles. Let me know down below what's the most you've driven in a day. Is it close to 800 miles? Anywho, see you all tomorrow. Now it's time to do your job.